So you want to break that area down into a list of decluttering tasks, and you want to actually write it down. So let's say you chose that area. Let's say you chose the bedside table, your bedside table. So you want to write it down into actionable tasks that you are going to do. So the bedside table, you're going to completely declutter the top of it. Then maybe you're going to completely declutter all the drawers inside of that bedside table. And then maybe you'll completely declutter all the shelves on that bedside table. And then you're going to completely declutter underneath. You're going to pick it up, move it, and declutter anything that's underneath and behind that bedside table. So that gives you 4 areas that you have written down that you are going to work on just for the bedside table. Write it down on a piece of paper each area. Then each day for the next 4, 5, 6 days ahead, you want to tackle that task in that area until your entire nightstand is decluttered and cleaned. Okay. So let's say today's Friday. So let's say you chose the bedside table. Tomorrow, you're going to completely declutter and clean the top of it. And then tomorrow evening, you're going to completely and declutter underneath and behind it because that's a super quick one. And then Sunday, you have a bit more time. So you're going to completely declutter and clean all the drawers in your nightstand. And then Monday, you're going to do all of the shelves in your nightstand. And then you're done. And then you can add on another project or just call it quits and make that be all that you're going to work on. So you're going to tackle a different area from that list every single day till the entire nightstand is done. Then once that's done, it is ready to move on to organizing. That's when we're going to streamline that space in a way that allows you to easily find what you need, but more importantly, be able to put any items all the way away.